Okay, guys, last recipe for today is honey cookies, and these two honeys are going to do it for us. So we've got everything pre-measured. So I would cream your butter and sugar first. Perfect.
Oh, wait. Here's this little utensil.
Get your utensil, girl.
Don't worry, I have one of these on my registers. Here, you do it. Yeah, you see.
Yeah, you'll use that a lot, honey.
I got a light
And a hand mixer. You need a hand mixer, too.
Oh.
And a food processor.
Yeah.
All right, pour your bowl up. There you go.
Grayson, you're so good.
And then add your sugar. And the honey was in there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect.
How on earth do you know how to operate this? I'm so proud of you.
See.
This is wonderful.
So in that we added, we had 1 cup of softened butter, 1 cup brown sugar, and 1/3 cup of honey that she's adding in now. Do it, girl, do it.
So fun.
I need a stronger spatula.
It's flimsy. That honey is nice and thick.
It is thick.
Thank you, Mama.
I'll take the other one.
Thank you.
We're getting
performing
bee
surgery.
emojis.
I know.
Oh,
It's
you
really
are.
great sound to me.
I mean, maybe I'll lick this.
Yeah.
These cookies, it was a good recipe anyway, but with fresh honey, you know it's going to be even better.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's butter, honey, and brown sugar. That's a couple carbs right there.
We are making honey cookies. Honey cookies.
That is very good.
And then you've already cracked your 2 eggs. So once that gets incorporated, Grayson, and it doesn't have to be perfect, I would add your eggs in, honey.
I don't see what you love.
Well, there we go.
I know. The honey's making it stick.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
That honey.
Honey.
All right, Sarah, dump those eggs in there, girl.
Gary, I'll dump the egg.
Girl, dump that
I've
eggs.
never met your mom, have I?
What?
Oh my gosh, I've met your
Best.
Have you?
I think I've seen her only on Facebook. So
Darling Marlo
she's
said,
on
we are enjoying today's field trip. I've enjoyed being here.
I bet you haven't met her.
Kimberly, I will post the recipe for these cookies because I got it off of Pinterest.
For graduation weekend.
And then I would add that in like a third and then a third and a third so it doesn't go all over you.
Y'all need to
Slow it
meet.
down.
Y'all need
Yes.
to be introduced.
Yeah, is she coming to lunch? You know,
No.
you can flip that up and get more water. Did you need
Oh,
more
no.
water?
I just had,
Wow, 1 drop at a time.
no, I had just a little bit of stuff on my hand. I'm totally
They smell really
They
good.
do.
Judy, I promise you I will post the recipe. I got it off of Pinterest because I just searched honey recipes.
Do you know you can get attachments to make pasta?
Yeah.
I thought
And
that was
listen,
never
you
knew
cannot
that.
hardly
And
kill
meat.
these things.
No.
I mean, the KitchenAid lasts for a lifetime. Andy's cousin, Miss Gladys, who's 80, she has one from way back. It still works beautifully. You can't kill it. Hey, Sandy Faust Jarrett. And hey, Carol King.
Yes, ma'am.
Making a baby.
Okay, so once this is incorporated, we're going to bake these. We're going to put them on a cookie sheet and bake them 10 to 12 minutes on 350. And we'll show you a picture of the finished product. You girls did a fine job, just so you know. Doesn't that smell good?
So good.
We'll have to look for your recipe. Yeah, I'll post it in just a second.
See, I could just eat the dough.
Me too.
I used to make chocolate chip cookies dough.
Oh, I love the dough.
I just
Okay, so cooking, cutting up, keeping it real honey cookies with Grayson and Sarah and Linda Grace. We're signing out. Thanks for having us today, Linda Grace. We appreciate it.
welcome.
All right, guys, I'll show you a picture of the finished product.